Well, something showed up for the Z. Forgot I ordered it for a little while, but let's see what it is. That's tape. One second, I'll get it open. Picked up an Ionic Dynamics roof spoiler for the Z. Dude, it looks so sick. I want to say a huge thank you to Jose because he's always hooking it up with super good deals. I mean, this thing, I'm gonna go get some 3M tape tonight and put it on there, but like, dude, this thing is just so sick. I might even paint it tonight, but I'm not sure yet. All this stuff I've done to the car, I still haven't gotten tint though. So, oh my gosh. Make sure you guys go hit up his Instagram at Ionic Dynamics and give this dude some support. It's a really great business, super quality parts. Oh man, I think it fills out the rear end so nicely on the car. I think I'll paint it tonight, maybe. I kind of like the satin kind of matte that it is right now, but I think gloss black is going to look so nice. Man, dude. Last piece. Spoiler. Hopefully going to go with the Stillen Type 3. All of you guys know what that is, but that's going to be pretty expensive, so hopefully we can make that happen at some point. I just don't want to do it until I'm ready to also paint it, because I am not leaving it black. I'm going to keep it matching the car, so we'll see how that goes. But I think the car is coming together so well right now. Again, hit up Ionic Dynamics on Instagram. Super great shop. His website is in his bio. He makes some great carbon fiber and fiberglass parts, not just for Z's, but a lot of different Nissans like the Frontier, and then even a couple Infinitis too. I think the G35. So yeah, check it out. Got one quick coat of the Rust-Oleum gloss black on there. Probably gonna do 3 really thin, quick coats so it dries quickly. I'm also gonna do a clear coat. And then while it's drying completely, I'm gonna go down to Home Depot and get some double-sided tape, and then some other things I gotta pick up. So yeah, you can tell that kind of streaked it right there, but there's no runs yet. I'm going really light. Never learn from my mistakes, so I'm gonna actually try to do it right this time. But yeah, hopefully it turns out pretty good. It's starting to look like it, but yeah, nice. Okay, coat number 2 is on. Hopefully the clear coat's gonna settle it down a bit. You can kind of see there's still some stripes, but I'm not the perfect painter, so yeah, we'll see how it turns out. But man, this thing looks good, man. Dang. Okay, got coat 3 on there. A little piece of like fuzz landed in it. I think you can see it like right there, but when that's dry, I can literally just pull that off, so I don't even care. But dude, it's gonna look sick, dude. Nice. Okay, I got 1 layer of clear on. This thing is looking good. It's pretty orange peely, I guess, but I think this is engine paint. Oh no, that's the automotive enamel, but yeah, hopefully it turns out good. It looks pretty good. I did get a little clear coat run there, but meh. Well, I got 1 more layer of clear. I don't expect it to be perfect because I suck at painting, honestly. You can see there's like fogginess right there, so Definitely missed some spots, but dang. I think this side turned out pretty good. Ooh. Okay, one last clip. Just got it on. Not a super great paint job, but it's better than just satin, so. Dang. That looks so sick. Let's go. Really need to fix the tint.